Judge Dredd. It's just gotta be done. Hey guys, I grew up reading 2000 AD, and so I've always loved Judge Dredd. So this week, I decided to do my own JD tribute. I thought I'd make a ring based around Dredd's badge, and it won't be an exact copy of the badge before anyone writes in complaining. It's purely my spin on things, so it's going to be similar but not identical. I've been using ZBrush a lot lately, but I wanted to show that Fusion 360 is still an excellent free tool. Actually, if I'm honest, for drawing out a sketch like this, I find Fusion easier. But I'm still learning ZBrush, and I'll keep bashing away until I feel comfortable with it. As I say, it's not meant to be exact. It's an on-the-fly design, and the problem with that is it's apt to change. But Fusion is an easy tool to change your mind with. And after a little more tinkering, there you go. Not bad. I'm pleased with that. I decided to print on the Mars 2 Pro using Bluecast X10 castable resin. These prints aren't too bad, but the horrible colour, thanks to the added sharpenizer, makes it hard to see. A little light sanding removes most of the printing lines. Now I'm in the hands of the casting gods again. Those show promise. I'm not sure if these are surface marks or imperfections. I'd lightly sand the surface and have a look. Actually, I really like that, so I think I'll try and keep these recessed areas dark. It's where the metal oxidised during casting. Well, the casting gods were pretty lenient. It's a 50-50 thing. This one had a few flaws. But this one, well, there's still flaws, but nothing that really jumps out. It's a pretty nice bronze ring. I'm pleased with the overall ring design, and I'll be sharing the STL file with my patrons. So with this year's casting off to a reasonable start, we'll call that a finished video. So that's it for now, guys. Take care, and thanks for watching.